you should never compare relationships, but it's nice to go back so that you can better yourself for a future relationship. And one thing you have to realize, once a relationship dies, the respect and the love for that person shouldn't die with it. You should always continue to do that. It's sad most cases that one minute you're so in love, the next minute hiwalay, siraan na.
Or you become strangers.
Yeah, like
'Di ba yun
as if
yung
you never shared anything.
yes, 'di ba yung 'pag nagkita na parang hindi na magkakilala?
Kaya ang advice ko nga sa mga bata is get married when you're in your 40s. Sa babae, I would say early 30s para magka-baby pa if you wanna have a baby.
Pero
But for
sa
a
lalaki?
guy, tapusin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Make sure may direksyon na buhay mo so that ma-enjoy mo ang marriage. Because it's hard when you jump into a marriage na you're still looking for food to feed yourself and then now you're responsible for another individual